Welcome to our plant. Here, robotic arms and conveyors work in perfect sync. Our precision engineering ensures flawless production. Let me show you the assembly line in action.
All right, on three. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Pushing now. Whoa, careful. One's reaching out. I see it. Keep pushing. Almost there. Steady. Okay, stopping here.
Okay, let's check your vitals now. Good, you're doing well. Just a bit more. All done. You're clear. All right, let's take a closer look at this patch. The skin looks healthy. Just cleaning it up a bit. Note the climbing behavior and interaction. Yes, and document the peel displacement. Aggression is low, feeding is the priority. He's handling the spray well, documenting vitals now. Good. Note the shake-off reaction. Reaction logged, he's settling.